results are in for the Enclosure Buildoff Championship at Snake Discovery. And first, before I announce the top 3 winners or champions, I just want to state that the votes were closer this year than they have ever been in the previous years. Like first and second were neck and neck the entire voting process. Third and fourth were neck and neck, and so on and so forth. It was intense to watch the votes come in, honestly, because people were flip-flopping back and forth left and right. But we have official winners. Coming in third place was Bill Stewart with WPS Reptiles and Badgerland Reptile Rescue. He won with his amazing Princess Mononoke themed enclosure, and it was close, but he pulled it off. Bill Stewart is officially our third place champion, and he won a $650 gift card to Custom Reptile Habitats. Coming in second place is officially Chris and Casey with GardenStateTortoise. They won with their deciduous forest floor themed enclosure, which was really cool, really just brought you right into nature, and they pulled it off second place. Chris and Casey have won a $1,250 gift card to Custom Reptile Habitats. And finally, coming in first place, the grand champions of the Snake Discovery Enclosure Build-Off is Tyler Rugge and Maddie Smith. They did a phenomenal job with their build. They get 2 plaques actually because of them being grand champions, and they won with their Gyarados-inspired Pokemon-themed build. They did an amazing job, and not only do they get 2 custom plaques, which we're just gonna go right ahead and put on display, they also won any size enclosure and stand from Exoterra, so you can reach out to Exoterra, guys, choose which enclosure you'd like to get, and a $2,500 gift card to Custom Reptile Habitats. I do want to mention that Bill Stewart and Tyler and Maddie, we will give you your awards at Tinley this weekend, so prepare yourselves for that.
And anybody who's going to Tinley, go and try and find those awards.
Yes! I wonder if either of them will have tables.
I bet they
don't know
will.
if they're vending.
I don't know, we'll see.
Might not be. If they are, I hope you put your awards on your tables or on your vendor booths. But I guess stay tuned for that. Chris and Casey, we will be mailing you your awards.
Yep.
Speaking of awards, all of these plaques, these black ones, were donated graciously by Awards by Hammond, and this wooden plaque, this custom guy, was donated by Creature Farm. We also want to thank all of the sponsors for this enclosure build-off all of the years, including the championship, because this wouldn't be a thing without our sponsors. So thank you very much to the amazing brands that donated either awards or supplies for this build-off. We also want to thank everybody for watching the videos and to everybody who came and attended and built their hearts out when it came to their enclosures. So thank you everybody involved. This was an amazing series of events, and we're not done yet. We are going to be bringing back the Enclosure Build-Off in 2025, but it's going to be a little bit different, so stay tuned for more details. And once again, help me congratulate in the comments section Bill Stewart with WPS Reptiles or Badgerland Reptile Rescue winning 3rd place, Chris and Casey with GardenStateTortoise winning 2nd place, and our grand champions Tyler Rugge and Maddie Smith coming in 1st. Congratulations to all of you, and we'll see a couple of you at Tinley to give you your awards.